President Trump will win the China tariff feud in the end. Hi, my name is Joe Cantu, and this is the China Report. I was in Beijing, China last year. Take a look at this picture. Containers are just piling up in China ports. The Chinese are making a big effort at spreading propaganda on TikTok. I wanted to show you the truth. So there's a statement saying that the Chinese are selling U.S. treasuries. There is no proof to show that Chinese are selling U.S. treasury. Chinese are the second largest holder in foreign countries of U.S. treasuries. There's a falsehood saying that China does not need the U.S. in buying. The truth is, the United States is the world's single biggest consumer country. It is over 30% of the GDP of planet Earth. There's a falsehood that says other countries are partnering with China. The truth is, Korea and Japan are negotiating with the U.S. directly on these tariffs, and they are not partnering with China to negotiate the tariffs. There's a falsehood that says that China is self-sustaining on food. The truth is, China imports approximately 49% of its agriculture, and the U.S. is the largest importer into China of agriculture. Now, it is true that President Trump has excluded some grains from being shipped for fear of starvation of other countries. In conclusion, China will soon come to the tariff negotiating table. Why? Companies have already gone bankrupt in China, and many more will soon go out of business. The youth and workers are revolting and protesting in China. History has a way of repeating itself. This is exactly what President Reagan did to the USSR. They made the USSR bankrupt and the Berlin Wall came down. Anyway, if you want to know more information about China, see Retirement, Hidden Truths, and Money Management, and I will explain China's hidden truths. Again, President Trump will win the China tariff feud in the end.